Let's get straight with the action of the rebuild of the Birkin S3. There's the engine ready for painting. Clean the prop shaft up after it had been rebuilt and give it a lick of paint. So there's the engine with one coat. Needs to remove the oil pump and the fuel pump to get to the areas underneath. Oh yeah, your pedals need to have a grip on them past MOT. So I made up some little race pedals. That's some sheet aluminium. Beautiful. Now we've got brakes. Look at that old pedal box. How it's come up with the sandblasting and powder coating. I've rubbed down the discs. You can see what they were like. Basic idea is everything you touch, you refurbish and put it back on. So I turned my attention to the steering rack. Nice Birkin brackets. Came up one on the wire wheel. And the preload cover and bolts. Lick of paint. And the second coat on the engine. Time consuming but rewarding. Just refitted the fuel pump with a new instate, that black plastic piece between the pump and the engine block. What is all that rubbish? Let's get it cleaned up. Fuel pump cleaned and fitted. Oil pump cleaned and fitted. Well, that's it for today. The engine's been painted. The oil pump and fuel pump are back on. We've got brakes. That's a major milestone. The oil seal's been changed in the housing for the prop shaft. Prop shaft's been rebuilt. The list goes on. I hope you're enjoying watching the Birkin come together, and stay tuned for more on clean nuts.